We have 4 different target presentations today. Now they range from fairly easy and they're going to slowly step up in difficulty as we move through. The first target we're going to shoot today, the easiest one, is actually from that machine out the back in the paddock there. On our call, he's going to throw a target that comes up and in towards us. He's briefly going to stall in the sky before he drops back to earth. The time to shoot this one is when he stalls. Basically we can appear to shoot straight at him. So what we'll do now, without firing at the target, we'll have a look at it. So when you want your target released, you're going to call pull nice and loud. Pull. So when I see the target, follow him up, 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 bang, just before he turns and drops back to earth. So what we'll do, we'll load you up with a cartridge every time. For the gentlemen, under-over shotguns, barrels up to the action, nice and gentle. Ladies, we will have you with the semi-auto. He's pretty good, he takes care of himself. So we close the gun, mount it up, pull, see the target, follow him up, and we're going to shoot him when he stalls. The next target we're going to shoot, now we're stepping up in difficulty just a fraction, is the machine in front of us here. This one throws a target that goes up and away from us. The time to shoot this one, guys, is as he's going up and away from you. If you let him stall out the back, he's a really tough shot. On the way up, you can go straight to the target and pull the trigger. So we'll have a look now. Pull, bang. Quick but decisive. Move to it, pull the trigger. Pull. Rightio. The next target we're going to shoot, now we're turning up the difficulty burner just a fraction more, is the low house from the brick building on your right hand side. Now you can see there's the opening in the side of the building. The target is going to appear from that opening. He's going to come across the layout in front of us. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to show you this target first, and I'll do a little bit more explaining on how we're going to shoot him. So we'll have a look. Pull. So you can see this target cuts across in front of us. Now, in order to hit this target, sorry, do you just want to...
Sit down, don't move, or you're in the car.
Sorry. No, all good. No worries. So, now you can see how the target cuts across in front of us. Now, in order to hit this target, we need to use what we call lead. Lead is getting in front of the target in order to hit it. Now, we've actually represented the lead for this target for you with the 2 whole orange targets on the blue concrete just out the front of us. The target on the right, that's the target you just saw flying through the air. The target on the left is where your gun needs to be in order to hit this one. Out there, we're talking about 2 foot in front. At your gun, he only appears about 1 inch. So what we're going to do, we're going to set you up somewhere near the green post. You're going to call pull. See the target, get in front. As soon as you're that distance in front, you're going to keep the gun moving and pull the trigger in one nice smooth motion. Pull. Rightio, brings us to our hardest target. Our last target, the high crosser from your left-hand side. This is just a mirror image of the low house we just saw. So what we'll do, again, I'll show you the target, then I'll explain how we're going to shoot him. Pull. So, you can see he's a little bit higher, a little bit quicker, but he's actually about the same distance from us. So we actually need to shoot him the same as the low house one. We need to get in front of him. But this time, if you use the 2 targets as the example for your lead, the target on the left is the target you just saw. Target on the right is where your gun needs to be. It's just 2 foot to the other side. Oh. Rightio. Last targets in our sequence. We're going to shoot a pair of targets. We're going to send 2 off at the same time. Those 2 are the orange one that goes up and away from you and the high black one that comes in towards you. And that's also the order they're going to get shot. Orange one first. Remember, he was that quick decisive, up to him, pull the trigger. By the time you've done that, you're going to move up to the sky, locate the black one, and you'll be able to shoot him when he stalls quite easy. So we'll have a look at the pair. Pull, bang, move up, bang. There's heaps of time, so you don't need to rush that first bird. Pull. Pull. Easy as that.